for this family that I have now, I treat every endorsements, every partnership that I have as a family. So, hello.
I'm Josh Mercado from ABS-CBN News Online. Yung una kong tanong, how has your concept of beauty changed since joining show business?
I believe it hasn't changed at all po. Kasi Sparkle made me want myself. Ever since I was young, I was insecure with my skin color, with skin complexion. However, with my home Sparkle po kasi they were able to accept me for who I am. So the moment they started to believe in me, they started to know or like made me feel na I'm loved even if hindi ako ganun ka-perfecto. Naniwala din po ako na maganda din po pala ako. So ever since po my show business, my showbiz journey, it hasn't changed at all. The moment I entered, I was loved because I was myself, and until now, I'm still myself po.
And now na tuloy-tuloy yung mga projects na binibigay sa'yo, itong endorsements, paano nakatulong yung BBN sa'yo and itong endorsement na to, and how do you handle your newfound popularity?
Siguro I will start with VVL po. Again po, the company or Vivian Anti Lounge po talaga is, I already told everybody before, we correlate to each other, our values are the same. And for me po kasi, I know I'm not everybody's cup of tea when it comes to beauty. But I do believe I'm beautiful. Kasi po, hindi lang naman po labas yun. Yung labas na pananyo ang sinasabi mong maganda ka dahil sa panlabas na panganyo, hindi po doon para sa akin ang beauty. With them po, they make me feel good. So yung po, for me, is the definition of being beautiful. Yung parang, you don't just just believe that you're beautiful on the outside, but also on the inside. So with BBL, they correlate with the same values po. Kaya I'm just happy I'm with them. So with the company that they have, I'm pretty sure po I will feel good every single day. Pagpunta, lashes, nails, of course, I'm still a girl. I'm just a girl. I'm gonna go there every day, feel good about myself.
Yung last na, how do you handle your newfound popularity?
Hindi ko po alam talaga na, I don't want to say it na popular, but I do believe I hold more pressure now. I hold more responsibility now on what I'm going to share to the public kasi lumaki po ang community na meron ako ngayon. Ayoko sabihin talaga na, grabe naman siya kasikat, hindi naman talaga ganun, meron pa talaga kasi grabe-grabe dyan. Pero with what's happening, overwhelming po talaga ang support that I got from the fans. And until now, it has been 2 months. Hindi po ako nakakapagpahinga to actually sit down and try to, realize everything that has been happening. Wala pa po ako sa point na yun, sa buhay ko. I'm just really striking the iron while it's hot. So with now, I'm just really enjoying po. So with your question, siguro I wouldn't say I'm already in that phase po, pero I'm just enjoying every single piece of it.
Hi, Shirley.
Hello
Hi,
po.
Nikki from Manila Standard.
Hello.
It's nice to see you again. Very big winner ang atake natin today.
Grabe nga, thank you. Parang ko talaga, madam, mabigyan na ako ba? Okay na pala talaga naibig ako doon. Okay na pala talaga.
well, first of all, congratulations. You mentioned that you're not everyone's cup of tea. But of course, there are so many young girls out there who look up to you. What's your message to them? Young girls who don't feel confident about themselves and young women who are not comfortable in their own skin. So what message would you give them so that they at least would feel seen and confident?
To all the young girls out there, younger generations who looks up to me, I would just love to say this. Before, I was really insecure. Before, I had a lot of self-doubt. I had a lot of insecurities, self-doubts. Kulang na lang ibahin ko yung sarili ko, i-cover ko myself with makeup just to cover my imperfections. But the moment I tried and believed in myself, the moment I tried to embrace myself, the moment you just try to be you, is the moment everybody will love you. Like, you don't need to change every single piece of yourself. Wala kang kailangan patunayan. You don't even need to make other people love you. You just need to be yourself. Because by being yourself, then you'll have people around you who will love you truly for who you are. And you can do it. I did it. That grade 6 Shooby-Doo is really proud of me. I hope she's proud of me. So your younger self will be proud of you as long as you just accept yourself for who you are. I love you all.
Very Miss Universe ang atake again. Shuvie, do you have any plans to, well, we understand that your career is doing great, but is joining a beauty pageant in your, in the pipeline or something that you are thinking of?
It has been a dream of mine po, Miss Universe, ever since I was young. However, right now, I believe Sparkle knows me better now. So I will depend on them. I will depend to Miss Joy to kung ano po ang plano nila sa akin. They know me better. But for now, I would love to hone my skills first and be the best version of myself first po before actually joining my dream pageant.
Yes, of course. And last question lang, since BVL is all about pampering and wellness, if you're going to take someone with you to spend a day of pampering and feeling good about themselves, sino yun and why?
Sinabi ko na nga po sa kanila, hindi to ako lang po kasama to yung mga kaibigan ko. Yung mga babes ko po, Ashley, Sky, and Roxy. I would love to spend quality time with them po kasi it hasn't been happening. So I hope I could spend time pamper day with my babes po sa BVL in the future. See po, next month pa ka.
Well, again, congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Kumusta kayo dyan? Okay pa kayo? Kain na kayo dyan ha?
Hi, good afternoon.
Ay,
Congratulations,
hello
Shubie.
po.
My first question is for Miss Cathy and Sir Neil. Na-mention niyo po earlier na nasundan niyo yung journey ni Shubie sa PBB. When did you realize or decide that you're going to get her? Was it during the season or after? Paano po yung naging journey?
Thank you for that question. Actually, from the very beginning, nakita ko talaga na she's a perfect representation of our brand. Pero yung parang naging clue na to decide to get her, when my two daughters, right there, that you can see, the one wearing gold, told me that they love Shubie so much. Imagine, coming from kids. It's rare to have an inspiration. Yeah. So we just love our kids so much that we value the people they look up to. And when I saw that in Shubie, we decided to reach out to get you.
Thank you.
Yun lang po.
Ganda ng answer ng husband ko. Ang hirap ng talunin. But basically, kasi I'm a very big fan ng series na yun. So I've been watching her. Yung nakikilala namin siya dun sa PBB House, yung traits, personalities, pagiging totoo. Kasi ako, as a business owner, I wanted to have partnerships with people na somehow same yung values, beliefs namin. So ako yung kasing tao na totoo eh. So nung nakita ko na very true siya sa sarili niya, whoever she is, ipapakita niya, good or bad, we accept. Kumbaga, nakita namin siya good or bad, whatever, ano man yan. Tanggap namin who she is as a fan talaga. So, yun, kumbaga nakaka-relate ako na I know na mahal siya ng tao kahit ano yung ipakita niya. So we're very thankful talaga to have partnership with her.
Reaction naman siya.
Grabe naman talaga mga answers to. Hindi ko talaga maintindihan. Gusto ko naman talaga kaya tayo mag-viewing ng PBB journey ko. Gusto ko lang panoorin talaga ng pinagagawa ko sa loob. Totoo lang po. Kasi ang dami talagang edits, pero hindi ko napapanood na talaga lahat. Nung siguro, yung parang nung assess lang ako kasi nung lumabas nga po ako, yun nga po, hindi naman po lingid sa kaalaman ng lahat na I really cried when I got evicted. Kasi I thought that was the end. I really thought that was the end of my career or I'm just gonna go back to my studies. Yun po yung parang sabi ko, ay hindi talaga para sa atin tong showbiz na to kasi wala hindi tayo mahal ng Pilipino kasi na-evict ka eh. So yun po yung nasa isip ko. Pero really po, when I opened the doors of BBB and when I saw the supporters waving my face, yung ngayon lang po ko dito nasabi talagang, sabi ko pala, ay, patuloy pa rin pala yung pangarap ko. Hindi pala doon nagtatapos yung pangarap ko. A chapter has maybe ended, but another one opens. Another one is like with you po, with this family po. I'm really grateful and I don't know, actually more pressure right now to do more or not naman to do more, to actually just be myself more. Kasi they've loved me for who I am. So right now I'm just more thrilled to be an inspiration to younger generations po na I will take it as a challenge. And of course, I would love to do it for the future of these kids. Kung sana makatulungan ko sila with me being me, then I would love to be me po.
Thank you. And for my last question, no, since this is a vanity lounge, how vain are you? And ano yung services na talagang parang must-have for you?
Grabe talaga ako ka-vain. Kasabi ko nga, I'm not everybody's cup of tea, pero feel na feel ko talaga ang ganda ko. Ang ganda ko. Hindi kasi, hindi ko alam, pinakamaganda ako sa morning talaga. Promise to guys, yung wala akong makeup guys. Yun ako ka-vain, kasi siguro, I do affirmations, and we all need affirmations every single day. Every single day, it's a moment of appreciating yourself, and it's also a moment of taking good care of your mental health. I know sobrang busy ng schedule ko ngayon. I know I can't work out anymore the same routine I had before I did BBB. Hindi na talaga makaya ang 3 times a week or 4 times a week na workout. However, meditating and doing affirmations every single day po that I'm beautiful, I'm kind, and I'm smart. In the mirror, I look at myself, I do that. I would say I'm vain because I do that every single morning. And it helps me. And I'm always confident to go throughout my day because I do that every single day.
Thank you. And yung services na lang?
Services. Nails. Actually, ang massage kanina ni Ate ba? Saan yung si Ate? I love you talaga, Ate, ha? Talagang, grabe talaga kung pwede ko sila gawing keychain. Kasi kanina nag-showtime ako, sabi ko, grabe naman talaga, parang nag-showtime ako, mag-massage pa ako. Ay, ko talaga prinsesa ako ba? Ganun talaga feeling ko ngayon, Madam Sir. Thank you so much, ha? So, of course, yung nails natin, kailangan kung anong kailangan sa shoot, ganun. Hindi naman ako maano sa nails, kung anong gusto nila, sila pa-decidin ko. Pero syempre yung sa lash, syempre hindi din pwede mag-lash kasi syempre yung magpa-perm ako. Tapos maraming services ang BBL. So, lahat-lahat yan, iisa-isahin ko. Maghanda kayo. Maghanda kayo. Pero ngayon yung massage mo na yung ini-enjoy ko.
Thank you.
Hello, Shuvie. Congratulations. I'm Lau from Lionheart TV.
Hello.
So, may tanong lang ako. What excites you the most about this partnership moving forward?
What excites me siguro, to me, feeling more good. Siguro, it's not new naman to everybody that I'm just really, I know I'm very authentic with the way I show myself to everybody, but sometimes we all have our down days. Yung parang, okay, aminin ko, okay, sige. Hindi naman talaga ako ganun kaganda every morning. Feeling ko. Sometimes naman talaga, meron ako mga times na, parang pangit-pangit ko naman today. May mga ganun talaga. And as human as you are, you feel emotions. And maybe, they will really help me po on how can I feel good or with the future. I mean, sobrang busy po talaga ng schedules ko, and 1 pump per day means a lot to me right now. Even sleep, it means a lot to me po ngayon. Kaya with them, I hope I can have a lot of rest days because we will schedule it, di ba? So mapunta siya sa schedule ko. So ang handler ko ang mahalo na siya kasi ilalagay na nila sa schedule ko. So in the future, I will have more rest days and more pamper days.
Yes, thank you. And speaking of nails and lashes na sabi mo kanina, so which one is you can't leave the house without?
I can't leave the house without my lipstick. As a two-toned girly. Kasi Pilipina, pati ang simod. Ano yung simod? Yung labi. Pati ang labi ko kasi hindi naman ako ganun ka, alam mo yun, hindi naman talaga ganun kasi two-toned, Pilipina siya. So, lipstick talaga kailangan ko or lip balm. Kahit na anong panglagay sa lips po, it gives me confidence every single day.
Yes, thank you, Shubi. For Miss Catherine naman and Mr. Neil, if BBL would create a Shubi signature service, what would it include?
Or maybe for working people, yan, siguro yung mga home service na packages with pamper time. Siyempre, lagi silang pagod with their feet and with their head massage, ganyan, with feet massage while they of course have their nails and eyelashes done. Yan, yung mga ganong packages. Para on the go, anytime, anywhere, pwede silang magkaroon ng mga ganong services. It's rare that you get to go to places kapag may ganon kang needs. So whenever they need it, they can get in touch with us.
Thank you po. And last na for Miss Shubi. So, what is your message for the VBL family, including the team, clients, and everyone supporting the brand?
For this family that I have now, I treat every endorsements, every partnership that I have as a family. So I'm really grateful po. Thank you so much. Really, from the bottom of my heart, I really want to say thank you for getting me as your ambassadors. I actually manifested for you inside the house. Kasi grabe yung pag-massage ko nung kina ma'am. Sabi ko talaga, ang sarap siguro pag may mag-massage sa akin, no? Pero walang man ang mag-massage sa akin doon. Ako man ang mag-massage. Kaya tita, with you guys, grabe naman talaga. Meron akong pamper day every single day, as long as I want to. And I just want to say to all the fans or to all the people who supports VBL or who will support pa, I hope we can all have our time with ourselves to actually, because I know we're all busy. We're all doing something, working for something, want to earn, we all need and want a lot of things. However, it's no brainer to actually prioritize yourself and actually feel good about yourself. You deserve that. You deserve every pampering, every nails, every lashes, every massage. Gawin mo yan kasi grabe naman talaga kung hindi mo yan gagawin. Grabe ng paghihirap mo sa sarili mo dyan. Gawin mo na yan kasi you deserve it. And I hope you will prioritize yourself always and forever. Grabe yung always and forever, huh? Yeah, always and forever. Yes, but thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Do you have another question? Alright, go ahead po.
Halos natanong na po lahat, no? Pero for Miss Cathy and Sir Neil, meron po bang plans to expand or add more branches of VBL?
Yes, of course. Currently, we're situated in one of the cities of Rizal. So before the year ends, we're planning to dominate the entire Rizal with branches. And of course, we'll be putting up premium lounges across the Metro Manila. Hopefully, at least 10 branches by next year.
Wow, ang dami po na from one. Congratulations po. And for Shuvi, ano pa? Message to fans. Kasi nasabi mo na yung message mo to VBL.
Thank you so much for coming. Yun na lang yung message to fans. May pangkat Shuvi, Shuvinatics, Shuvidus, Shuvidubs. Ang dami-dami nyo na nagmamahal sa akin. And ngayon, malay mo madagdag natin tong vanity na to sa sa fan meeting natin next. Because really po, to be honest with you, I am aware that I have a lot of fans, I have a lot of supporters. Right now, I'm really excited to actually give back to them. Because it's always about giving back. I want to give back the support that they always give me. Because every single day, with the support that they give me, with the support that you give me, you inspire me to actually do more, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na if it weren't for you, hindi ako si Shuvi ngayon na lumalaban pa rin kahit pagod na pagod na. Hindi naman sa pagod na pagod na, grabe naman ka Shuvi. Pero syempre, alam niyo napapagod, pero because of you guys, meron akong fire to keep on fighting for my dreams. And I hope na marami akong ma-inspire pa, and I hope marami pa akong mapapasaya. Right now, I have another purpose, and that's for you guys. So, sana mag-enjoy tayo at maging masaya ang buhay natin lahat. I love you all, my pangkat Shuvis.
Thank you so much. More blessings po for Team Shuvi and VVL.
Maraming salamat from our press. Meron pa po ba tayong mga katanungan? Ayan. Huwag tayong mahiyang magtanong. Ayan. Wala na po ba? Maraming salamat. Palakpakan naman po natin ulit. Ang gagandang na pageant nga, Miss Shuvi. Parang talagang doon talaga, no? Ang mga sagot, perfect na perfect. And right now, as we have promised all of you, right after our press question and answers, mapunta naman tayo, dumako tayo sa pag-picture taking. Ayan. So we request everyone, umpisahan po natin all of directors, board of directors of VVL together with Miss Shuvi. Dito na lang po tayo sa baba, sir.